Welcome back. In this lecture, let's establish connection with PostgreSql using psychopg package. Let's design a code. Extract PostgreSql. Let's import psychopg package. Now let's import config parser to read the configuration properties. Let's define the config properties. Config is equal to config parser dot config parser config dot read config file name, credentials.cfg. Let's define the connection. Connection is equal to psychopg2 dot connect host is equal to config of PostgreSql host. Database is equal to config of PostgreSql database. User is equal to config of PostgreSql user. Password is equal to config of PostgreSql password. Let's execute and check whether this connection is established. Connection is successful. Let's create cursor. Cursor equal to connection dot cursor. Let's execute a statement. Cursor dot execute. I have a table called countries in my Postgres database. Let's extract this data. Select asterisk from countries. Let's assign a variable data is equal to cursor dot fetch all. Let's print the data. Data is printed in a list of tuples. Let's print the tuple in new line. Let's loop the list and print the records. For row in data print row. This way, using psychopg2, we can establish a connection with Postgres database and retrieve the result and perform any statements. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.